Scene script. Do you often feel helpless and overwhelmed? It's a common feeling when you're dealing with depression. You're not alone, and there's plenty you can do to take charge and start feeling better. Let's begin with setting a routine. Depression can blur the days together, leaving you feeling lost in time. Establishing a gentle daily routine can provide structure and help you regain control. Next, set achievable goals. Depression can make even the simplest tasks feel insurmountable. To counter this, set small achievable goals. Start with something as simple as doing the dishes every other day. As you start to improve, you can challenge yourself with more ambitious goals. Exercise is another essential step. Even a short walk can release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood. Regular exercise can also have long-term benefits, rewiring the brain in positive ways. Nutrition plays a key role too. There's no magic diet for depression, but maintaining a balanced diet can help. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and tuna and folic acid, found in spinach and avocado, may help alleviate depression. Sleep is another crucial aspect. Depression can disrupt your sleep cycle, and lack of sleep can exacerbate depression. Try to establish a sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Removing distractions from your bedroom can also improve your sleep quality. Taking on responsibilities can ground you. Maintaining a lifestyle with daily tasks can be a counterbalance to depression. It provides a sense of accomplishment and purpose. You don't have to jump into full-time work or school. Part-time or even volunteer work can make a difference. Challenging negative thoughts is a significant part of the battle. Depression can lead to the worst possible conclusions. Fight back by using logic. Question the evidence behind your negative thoughts. Over time, you can learn to control these thoughts before they spiral. Before using supplements, always check with your doctor. Certain supplements show promise in treating depression, but more research is needed. Your doctor can guide you on what's safe, especially if you're already on medication. Lastly, try something new. Depression often locks you into a rut. Breaking the cycle with a new activity or experience can bring a fresh perspective and a boost to your mood. Remember, you're not alone in this struggle. Depression can make you feel helpless, but there are many steps you can take to fight back. Establishing a routine, setting goals, exercising, eating healthy, getting enough sleep, taking on responsibilities, challenging negative thoughts, consulting your doctor about supplements, and trying new things can all contribute to your journey towards feeling better. Take each day at a time, and remember, every step forward is a victory.